Welcome to Molykote Maintenance Minute, where we talk about the flagship Molykote performance lubricants and how they can help you keep equipment running cleaner, longer, and more efficiently. Molykote BR2 Plus High Performance Grease is a specialty lubricant designed to prevent seizing in medium to heavy loaded applications at varying speeds, such as those found in rollers, bearings, slider guides, ball and socket joints, shafts, spindles, and more. This mineral oil-based solution uses solid molybdenum disulfide for enhanced surface protection for metal-on-metal pairings. The paste is stable in very cold and hot environments, from negative 30 degrees Celsius to 130 degrees Celsius. Molykote BR2 Plus High Performance is an excellent solution for long-term lubrication and provides resistance to corrosion, water, and oxidation. It does an excellent job protecting metal-on-metal contact parts in a combination of speeds, temperatures, and medium to high loads. Molykote BR2 is available in tubes, pails, and various drums for a wide range of volume requirements. For pricing and delivery estimates, please reach out to a representative today. Thanks for watching.